Welcome back! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to update the primary country location on your Facebook page. Before we dive in, don't forget to check out our latest software link just below this video. Let's get started. Changing your primary country location is quite simple. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Facebook page. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then select your page from the menu. Once you're on your page, look for your page name and Facebook icon in the top left corner. Click on this, and you'll be directed to your page's main view. Now, find the About section underneath your profile picture and click on it. In the About section, scroll down to your contact information. At the bottom of the section, you'll see a pencil icon. Click on it to edit your location. If you haven't added a location yet, it will prompt you to add it. Since I've already set up my location, clicking the pencil will allow me to change my current country. After making your changes, click Save, and you'll have successfully updated your country location on your Facebook page.